Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the MS PowerPoint video series. So in the last class, we had discussed about the slideshow, and now we are going to move to the record option. So as you can see in the record tab, we will see some options. You can see some option as you can see in the record option. So first option is record. Record narrations, ink, laser point. It will record all your actions or activities you perform on the screen. And after that, you have another option which is called a screenshot. If you want to capture a screenshot, you can also do that. We have already discussed about this, so it's easy to use. And after that, we have screen recording. We have already discussed about this. If you want to record your screen, you can also do that. You have to click on this. If you want to insert a video, you have to click on the video option, and you can select any video and insert it, as you can see in this way. And I'm going to delete this one because we have already discussed about this. And after that, we have audio. If you want to insert audio, you can click on that, and you can record your audio, or you can insert the audio from your device as well. After that, save as show. If you want to save your show, save your preview, you can also do that. You have to click on the save as show. After that, if you want to export your presentation as a video, you can also do that. You have to click on the export to video, and you have to click on the create to video, and you have to select some resolution, that what resolution should be, and some basic options, and then you have to hit the create video, and it will be converted into a video. So in this way you can use that. So this is the record tab, and I hope you guys understand these all options. So see you guys in the next video.